Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you guys had a blast and had your fun. And back to my channel. So a lot of people are asking me how to change the V3 animations to the second option. By default, this is what you're gonna get. So you see, this is a bit quicker. This is by default that you're gonna get, and I'm gonna show you to change this to the second animation. And a big credit to Boosted Whips. He said go ahead, show your subscribers and viewers how it's done. I appreciate you, brother. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that, show you guys that actual step, what to do with it. All right, so the car is started. So what you want to do is make sure the headlights and everything is off. So you see, I'm gonna make sure this is off as well, and it's gonna be off completely. You want to make sure that's first thing, and then you want to go ahead and hit the brakes, press the brakes completely all the way, and keep it pressed. All right, and then what you want to do is actually do this 3 times. All right, so what I'm about to do, you got to do it exactly what I'm doing. The brakes are pressed right now, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then off. And the tail lights in the back should turn off. Still keeping pressed, make sure it turns off. Give it a good 4 or 5 seconds, and then I'm going to release it. Within that time frame, the tail light should have been turned off and changed. It should have changed the animation to the second one. So again, we stopped on off, right? So I'm gonna go ahead. I mean, you could definitely go ahead and press, twist it to the lights right here, and you should be able to see your animation. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on auto for now and turn it off, so I could show you guys actually that it should have changed by now. And yeah, shut the engine off, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press unlock, and there you go. This is the second one. Check that out. Oh man, I like that. I'm gonna keep it here now. All right, well, that's it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content, and I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe. Until next time, peace out.